Once you've saved your company's rules for the agent in the Policy tab, the agent begins analyzing expenses using your rules. Within 24 hours, you'll see expenses grouped by recommendation on your homepage. And in your inbox, under your card transactions, you'll see a new policy assessment column. The agent makes 3 types of calls: in policy, which is recommended for approval; out of policy, which is recommended for rejection; and policy uncertain, which requires human judgment due to missing receipts or unclear rules. If you click into an expense, it'll always include the agent's reasoning, and you can click the info icon to go to the exact policy section the agent used for its decision. You can also use the thumbs up or thumbs down buttons and a short note, and the agent will learn from your input to refine future recommendations. If a reviewer overrides the agent's recommendations, RAMP prompts them to explain why, giving you visibility into approved exceptions, potential policy gaps, and opportunities to improve clarity. Every expense includes a detailed event log so you can track the agent's reasoning and reverse actions when needed. Start reviewing recommendations and giving feedback to fine-tune your policy agent's performance.